In this video, I show you how to import an image in our canvas and add a sketch effect on it. At first, open your browser. This time I search for Cristiano Ronaldo formal. And then I go to image and this time I download this one. I just simply click on view image and save it in my desktop. Now I just open this in Photoshop, and from this toolbar I just simply select crop tool and crop the white portion a little bit and set it here, and finally I hit on done. If you satisfied with that, simply click on file, click save as and save it in desktop in JPG format. I just replace this cropped image with the previous one. Alright. And now I close this window. And then I just drag this image in my canvas. Now we are going to increase the size of the image by holding shift and dragging the corner of the image. I just make this bigger a little bit and set it in middle. And finally I just hit on done. Next we need to rasterize this picture to apply filter on it. To do this I just right click on this image and select rasterize layer. Now to apply the filter, we are going to top menu bar and click filter, and then I just hit on filter gallery. And from this filter gallery, make sure that your artistic folder is open and then select poster edges. To better viewing angle, to see what we are doing, I just right click on this image and select 33. Now I just set this image in a center. Alright. On the right side here we see three different sliders. First one is edge thickness, second one is edge intensity, and the third one is posterization. By dragging these sliders, we can adjust the filter until we have an image that will look like. Each image is different, so you might want to play around with these sliders until you get the image that looks roughly like this one. After you're happy with this look, then simply press OK. After that, the change will apply to this picture. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to turn this picture into a pure black and white sketch using threshold filter. To do this, at first we need to duplicate this layer. I just right click on this and select duplicate layer. I just type this name as a layer 2 and hit OK. After that, go to image and under adjustment, here you see an option which is called threshold. Just click on this. From this you can adjust the bottom slider from the left or to the right until you have the image approximately like the one on the screen. And after that, hit on OK. Our background is already black. This time I remove this white portion from this coat. To do this, I just click on eraser tool and set my brush in 200 pixels. And I just hide the original layer from this layer panel, and I just remove this white portion from this image. When your picture looks like on in the video, you can go ahead and start the next lesson. Hello my dear students, in this video I am going to show you how to add color and paint over a fluid subject. From the layout panel, I just make the original layer visible by clicking on this eye icon. After that, I move it to the top. And then from toolbar section, I choose move tool and I move it down because I want to use this skin color as a reference. And now I create a new layer. To create a new layer, from the layer panel, click on this new layer icon. This will be the layer on which we will paint the color. From the left toolbar, click on this brush, and from upper toolbar, click on this arrow icon and choose this hard brush. And I set this brush size in 100 pixels. Alright. Now I click on this color icon and from the color picker I choose this skin color. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now I brush the color over this face. To get better view, I just zoom this canvas. To do this, simply press Ctrl+ to zoom in. Alright, to zoom out this canvas, simply press Ctrl and minus to zoom out. Alright, now we need to set the layer blending mode from normal to multiply. This will make our paint layer only cover the white region from the layer below it. Now I add white color in teeth and eyes of the subject. To do this, I just click on brush tool again, and this time I change the size and set it in 50 pixels. And after that, I set color white and I hit on OK. Now I zoom this canvas by simply pressing Ctrl+. And I just add white color in both eyes and also teeth. I zoom out again. Now I add shading on this object. To do this, from this color picker, I simply choose this skin color and make this darker a little bit and change the brush size from 50 to 100, and after that I just add little shading on this face. Pretty cool. In our next lecture, we will finish this t-shirt design. To finish this t-shirt design, we do two things in this lecture. At first, we remove background. To do this, at the very first, I just hide this original picture of the layer. And then I choose eraser tool. And then from the layer panel, I just hide my background. And now I select this layer and set this brush size in around 200 pixels. And now I just remove this black portion of the image. Like this. Now I change this brush size and make it smaller. I just set it in around 100. And now I just remove these black edges. Now I am happy with this result. And now I just visible this background layer. From the resources section of this lecture, you will get this RAR file. At first, extract this one. Once you extract this, you get grunge vector line brush set. To use this brush in Photoshop, simply copy this and then go to My Computer, C Drive, Program Files, and go to Adobe. And I installed Adobe Photoshop CC. I just open this folder and go to Preset, and I open Brush folder, and I just simply paste it here. After that, I just open my Photoshop project and save as in PSD format. This time I type file name as example1 and I save it in desktop. And now I just close this Photoshop program and open this project file again. And then I just select brush tool and click on this arrow icon. And now if I click on this gear icon, here we see our recently added brush, which name is grunge vector line brush set. I just select on this brush and click on OK. And this time I choose this brush and set this brush size in 4500 pixels. And after that, I choose this background and create a new layer from the bottom toolbar icon. This will create a layer just above our background layer. And then I set my brush color in blue. Now I hit on OK. Now all you have to do is set your brush in center and left click on this. And that's it. Our t-shirt design is now complete and it is ready for exported and uploaded. Thank you so much for watching.